In today's video, I am going to teach you how to accept payment on Google Forms. To begin, open your Google form in edit mode. You can do this from Google Drive by selecting your form or by opening an existing form link that you have permission to edit. Once the form editor loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the form builder, where you can see your questions and the toolbar across the top. Next, go to the menu area where Google Forms provides extra tools. Look for the Add-ons option, which is where you can extend Google Forms with additional features. Click the option to get add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for integrations that add payment-related functions to a form. In the Marketplace search bar, type the name of the add-on you want to use. In this walkthrough, search for the add-on called Form to PayPal Invoice. When it appears in the results, click on it to open its listing. Here you can review what it does, along with any notes about permissions or compatibility. Now click Install. During installation, Google may ask you to confirm permissions so the add-on can work with your form. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. When it finishes, click Done to close the installation window and return to your form. Back in Google Forms, go again to the Add-ons area at the top. You should now see the Add-ons icon, and when you open it, the newly installed tool should be available. Click through the Add-ons menu until you find Form to PayPal Invoice, and select it to open the add-on. Inside the add-on menu, choose the option labeled Connect or Disconnect PayPal. This is the step that links the add-on to your PayPal account so it can generate invoices based on form responses. Complete the connection process as prompted so the form can send payment requests correctly. Once you are connected, you are ready to use your form with the payment add-on active. That covers everything you need to know.